Garang Moreda State Force ta Kuki militant singna nongmai kapsilakiba aduda intelligence report ki matung ina Burma gi lalhaulu PDF yauramba yai thajai haina Manipur gi security advisor Kuldip Singna phongdokhrei Chief Minister's Bungalow gi Darbar Hall da ngasi numidang pangthokiba paugi mifam amada Kuldip Singna hai ngarang Kuki militant singna Moreda leiba commando gi station khaktada nongmai kapsilakpadagi ahenba force thajinba ngamhaudabani Kuki singna commando lauthokpiyu haina mari leinama singda che thakiba leikrei adubu commando sing asi state asiki force ni makoibu mafam adudagi lauthokpagi wafam leite loinana central force singapore na Moreda adumak leigani amaromda maikei kayadagi Kuldip Singbu unified command gi chairman ki fam thadou Chief Minister da sinau haibadu fam thadok ningai maram leite mahak masagi mathau ningthina tawri mathau masak khangdaba miyoitana fam thadokadabani haina makata ki
large number of Kuki militants started firing on commando posts which are located at 3 locations in More, Reach Hotel, GM Hotel and SBI. There was intelligence from before that the PDF insurgents operating at More and maybe some reinforcement from Burma side also may attack the state forces at More. So with that, the forces were prepared and from large number of days, these kind of attacks were coming. But attacks were coming from far areas, they were not from nearby areas. But yesterday, it started coming from nearby areas. Assam Rifle, along with CDOs and BSF, they tried their best to thwart the attempt. But meanwhile, one commando boy, whose name is Mr. 𝗛𝗛𝗔𝗑𝗏 𝗪𝗧𝗛, he got head injury. He is of 6th Manipur Rifles. He got head injury, and he, by the time he was shifted, he was declared brought dead in Assam Rifles campus. Along with that, 2 more personnel got injury into that. Soon after these incidents came to light, the forces were rushed to tackle the issue, and they tackled also in a big way. While attempt was being made only on commandos, so commandos were running short of ammunitions. Ammunitions was also shared by Assam Rifle as well as BSF, and they kept on tackling the insurgents.